How to fix automatic brightness increase for Instagram on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Now scroll down, navigate to the option of Accessibility. Over here you're gonna find different sections. Here towards the section of Vision, under that you'll find the option of Display and Text Size. Open this option. Now scroll all the way down. At the very bottom you'll find the option of Auto Brightness. You have to disable for this option. This feature adjusts your screen brightness based on ambient light. You want to toggle this option off to stop your phone from automatically changing its brightness. To make sure these changes effectively impact Instagram, head over to App Store. Now search for the app Instagram. Check if any updates are available for Instagram and install them. Keeping your app up to date is crucial for optimal performance. Once you have made these adjustments and updated the app, a good next step is to restart your device. This helps ensure all your new settings take full effect, providing a fresh start to your device. So close this, launch your settings, head back, navigate to the option of General, scroll all the way down, click on Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. After you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Well, this way you can easily fix automatic brightness increase for Instagram on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.